The also one of the reasons that I enjoyed this time is because there was all of my nephews and nieces who has took part in this holiday session, the event we've been in. When we've ended the holiday event, then we back and we visited the a very nice place that's nearby the beach, and then we've had some food over there, which is a famous food for the city. And then
So when
we
I
got
said like go ahead, then it was only 1 minute 20 seconds. So this question was even, actually this is a very simple question, so we cannot talk much about it. But yes, of course, you have to explain, each and everything much clearly. That's what you have to do.
right.
Maybe you can practice. You can keep a stopwatch and you can practice. That's what you can do, right? So once you start
Yeah,
practicing,
piano, I guess,
and
yeah.
how much time you have to speak. Because
Okay.
if you're not getting, this, see, obviously at a certain point you would reach and you would complete the answer completely. As you've already reached that point, right? Explain why you particularly enjoyed the holiday. And beyond that,
Yes.
not speak anything else, right? So it's much better you start giving, equal time at least, or maybe you can talk much more before you start your sub questions, and you can say that this was a holiday that I've been planning for years together. We did not have much time at all, and I was on a break, so we all thought that we should go on a holiday, enjoy that vacation with a family. So you have to start like that initially, and then you can go ahead like where you went. We were planning for Indonesia, Bali trip. So then you can go like where it was and how you travel there. So initially we thought of different tourist plans and all, or just maybe take a guide or something like that. But later we thought that we can just go directly without any guide or without any tourist plans and all. So I mean tour plans and all. So that's how we hit it. We hit that place. So you can start,
Okay.
and you can explain about those things. But what I am thinking is just make sure you spend time, and then you can go with the rest of the questions so that you will have equal time and you will still, be in that kind of margin saying that okay, you've crossed 2 minutes and all, something like that. Because what's happening is you are actually answering to it and it's just like an answer and you're going it's just
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
in
Yes.
like you're just going to the next question. So just within a snap, yeah, next question. Within a snap, again, next question. So it's like a question and answer now rather than a speech. You're getting my point, right? So what you have
Yes, yes, yes.
to make sure you involve the examiner into your answer rather than making him, just like I feel like as if just you're doing a Q&A. You got it?
Yes.
He's not asking you a
You're
question.
right.
It's like Q&A only, right? So just make sure you involve that person so they create a kind of vibe, create kind of atmosphere that everything is going in front of him. It's just showing like a
Mhm.
picture. Got it, right?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I'm getting.
Why? Because that's when you can cross the 2 minutes border. Because each and every question, it's like you're not getting points. So once you're again out of words in the sense not you don't that not, it doesn't mean that you're out of words in the sense you don't have words to speak, but you're out of
Here.
you have nothing to
Yeah.
speak. Then obviously you cannot extend your thoughts, right? How you can extend them? So it's much better from the starting itself. You just drive it, so that you know. But again, at the end, you can complete, and maybe even if it's 2 minutes, 15 seconds, he's going to give you the time, as I said. But once it crosses,
Right.
that is when they're going to hold you, saying that okay, it's too much now. You got it, right?